Hello, I'm Terry. I'm from Filton in Bristol. I'm an odd job handyman. I does all kinds of work to name but a few. No small job too tiny or massive or large, 'cause I got hands and tools and all that. Tools. I've come to London to make it to the big time. I want to earn more than £8,000 a year, because no one really earns more than £8,000 a year in Filton. £8,000 is the higher tax limit. I've come up to do handy work, odd job work in the posh areas. You will never be disappointed with my skills or tools. My scraper. Here are some of the things that I can do. Check I out, proper like. I got a BTEC in carpenter. Changing tyres. 2, 3, personal trainer. My van. Shifting things. Boiler repairs. Plumbing. It's fixed. Costume repairs. It's broke. Don't work anymore. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the examples of things I can do and all that. Meanwhile, I am trying to get this oven working and it is just not working. Now, as with everything I do, I've got the Terry the Odd Job Man guarantee. Once it cannot be fixed, you got to do one more thing. I rechecks it proper like, yeah? One more try, something my grandfather taught me. It's still broke. It's not working anymore. Now, if you're convinced of my skills and tools and all that, give me a call, email me, Terry the Odd Job Man. I does handyman, any job to name but a few. Thank you for watching. Proper job.